Hello everybody, my name is Ricardo Mendez and I'm professor from UNAM, and today I will show you how to make your own loudspeaker. So let's start, but first see this video. As you can see here in this video, it's a loudspeaker. It's made with um, basically things that you can get from the laboratory or at home in a very easy way. It's paper, copper wire, cardboard, and some wires and a magnet, of course. And as you can see, here is very simple, and I will show you how to make this. You can hear the back. It shows that it works perfectly. First, you will need a template. You can download from our website, and this is free, of course, because it's part of the open hardware project between UNAM and Gothenburg University. Also, you will need a magnet. We recommend that this has to be around 7 millimeters height and 7 millimeters width in diameter. Also, you will need, of course, copper wire. The thickness of this wire should be around 38 AWG or 0.1 millimeter. Also, you will need a cardboard to put the speaker, and you will need a sandpaper. You will need, of course, this wire with the plug 3.5 and alligator clips at the end. So, of course, as always, all of these projects, you will need glue and tape and scissors, of course. See how to make your loudspeaker. First, use the template to produce the cone. You can cut it and paste by the triangle. Make the cylinder. The cylinder has to be slightly wider than the magnet, and paste on the cone. And now you have to use the wire and make a very big coil into the cone and the base of the cone and around the cylinder. You have to do at least between 80 or 150 turns, and then just cut it. And now use a small piece of tape to attach it, and then use the sand paper to create this small layer of insulation of the wire. And now use the cardboard to put the magnet, and then now put the glue in this part of the template to use like springs, paper springs, of course. And the trick here is to put a little bit twisted, like you see in the video. And in the center, you have to put the magnet and free it to move. Now connect or plug the wires and use like a phone, for example, with the frequency or YouTube video, as you can see here, and plug the wire, and you will hear the frequency that you are using to produce sound in the loudspeaker. Or alternatively, you can use a computer instead of your phone by plugging the plug into the computer port, and that's it. So let's try to make your own loudspeaker. Well, finally, I want to acknowledge our sponsors, National Autonomous University of Mexico and University of Gothenburg, to make possible this kind of videos. So now enjoy to build your own loudspeaker, and good luck.